Y'all look at this room. Your credit card came, girl. I got you a credit card. I added you to my credit card line. But I'm putting the card in my wallet.
That's gonna be my wallet.
No, baby. Look at Ira, y'all. She don't feel good. She got some teeth coming in. See? I need this masterpiece. Ira got her little credit card. All the guys were already telling me I had to. See? There was just trying to make sure I'm covering stuff up over here. Girl, look at that. Aria got her little credit card capital.
It's mine.
It's yours, but it's to build your credit. I'm gonna have to have that same talk with you. How do you feel, girl? It's to build your credit.
Can I buy anything I want?
No, ma'am. That ain't what a credit card for. How do you feel? It's to help build your credit so that way when you get older you could buy stuff that you want and you wouldn't have to need me and your daddy to co-sign. So I ain't even activated it yet. It just came. I'm gonna put it in my wallet just like I got man's. Thank you. He done ran me out my office, y'all. I got a basket of clothes to fold. This room is a hot mess. This room ain't all the way put together. Clothes, it has stuff up the stairs, paper, trash, covers that I'm stepping over. It's just computers, headphones, just stuff all over the place. I'm about to try to eliminate this stuff, y'all, because every day, the Iris twins, the babies, they go from every room and just pull everything out. The kids for school, they don't put nothing back. They don't pick nothing up. They don't pick up their computers and headphones and stuff. And y'all, I'm here with a jacket on because I'm cold. It's either I'm ready for them to catch this summer break, or I'm ready to be sending them to school for the next school year. I never thought that I'd be saying it. Like, it really don't be the ones that's in school. But, and it's not really the kids that's in school. It's just every other thing in general, like all this stuff right here. I'm about to most likely get rid of some of this stuff because every day, all day, this is Iris. He plays, but he don't put nothing back. They got pencils on the floor, color pencils, just all kinds of stuff. Normally, I have them coming in here doing this stuff, but I'm using this for my coping moment for me to just getting it up. Mentally wise, like I said, I done got the news from a teacher, office staff stating that they are supposed to be going back to school the next school year. And the only way that they will be here at home is if it's an emergency. I didn't react. I'm sure she was waiting for a response. Oh no, I'm not sending my kids. But whenever that time comes, gotta know what's best for them and for me to give me a break. Now, the issue I have with the kids that's in school, every day, no lie, it's been every day, a teacher been texting me or calling me saying, one not doing this, one doing this, and one not. It's like so much. I'm trying to be a mother, a business owner, a teacher, all in one. Plus doing my other duties, like when they could be at school. I tell them, if y'all can't sit still at the table and not like you're laying down comfortable in a bed or with covers. Yes, I get it's cold in here, but you present yourself well so that a teacher do not have to call my phone, period. I cannot stand it. If it ain't a weekly check-in, I don't like to be text making it seem like I ain't doing my part as a parent. You know, that's when I have to check them, and that's why they go in my office. If I'm in my office and I send y'all up here to do y'all work and y'all seem like y'all can't get it together, come downstairs to their office. Cleaning off this couch. I don't be knowing what they be in here doing, but I get just a little soap and water. And clean my soap. Now this extra time that I have on my hands, while I'm trying to pick up stuff behind them that they can be coming back behind themselves doing, I could have been doing other stuff. This light bothering me too. That's better. I flipped it. See if I could flip this one. That's better. How do y'all feel about sending y'all kids to school? If you haven't already. This mama here is ready to. I feel like it's a difference when I'm not really sure what's expected for them throughout the week. I do check the newsletters. I do check Google Class, but and I do pay attention to what they're doing, like for as homework wise. But sometimes, like, I'm not in there, like, to know, okay, well, he's supposed to do this throughout the day, every day. So, yeah, y'all. I'm sure it must be snack time for them because I don't hear nobody on the second floor. You see, this is the kind of stuff that bothers me. You see that, y'all? You see that? Snack paper, crumbs, and stuff. That's why I keep these blankets on this furniture in here. And you know who done it? My oldest daughter, Ariel. She know better. She know better, y'all. She know better. I think I'm taking phones today, y'all. Look at all this. She asked for a whatchamacallit. That was the can't even talk. That's the name of the candy bar. Whatchamacallit. That's something I got off the store. Since Easter and still had some, and she asked for it and I gave it to her. But for you to leave your paper in here like this, like the trash can right outside work, you could have still threw it away once you finished class. Look at all this, y'all. Just look at this. They nasty. They nasty. I said I was gonna throw this stuff away. I'm about to just throw it back in the book set. A whole bunch of toys that don't make sense. From one room to the next room. All these little pieces of toys that I wish I could just build up the courage to just throw this whole book sack away. But being that they do play with toys and, you know, act like kids, the babies, and they're not out into the devices, so I guess I have no choice but to pick it up. All this stuff, y'all, I done got from up under their dresser. Dirty sock. Orange peel. Like, this is unacceptable. They won't have no. They won't have no phones until the last day of school. The last day of school is May the 28th. I'm taking phones and they will not be getting them back. And I'm not playing. I told you to play the game. The boys' room. Can't control this to be the only thing they're able to do. Something that they really don't use that often. But the phones, I'm taking. Tomorrow I use all these jackets throughout the day. Have to unplug this light. off camera. However, I did use the big duty vacuum cleaner instead of that little one that's made for like the stairs and stuff because the cord is shorter. So I like to use the suctioner. So yes, I've done the stairs on the 3rd floor. I am now about to fold up clothes on the 2nd floor. All these floors has been done. Turn that light off. Y'all, the stairs need care too. I ensure that my carpet stay clean. Stay fresh and clean. I don't know what they up there doing, y'all. So yeah, I got a basket of towels in the office that I need to fold. Let's put another load in the dryer, take that load out, and fold that as well.